In this video, we are going to prepare a highly effective liquid fertilizer using simple ingredients easily available at home. This natural mixture boosts plant growth, improves soil health, and provides essential nutrients that help both vegetables and houseplants grow stronger and healthier. We start by taking banana peels, chopping them into small pieces, and blending them with a little water until a smooth liquid forms. Banana peels are rich in potassium, calcium, and magnesium, nutrients that play a major role in strengthening stems, increasing flower production, and protecting plants from diseases. Potassium helps transport nutrients inside the plant, while calcium builds strong cell walls and prevents issues like blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. Blending the peels helps release these nutrients quickly once microbes begin breaking them down. Next, we pour the blended banana liquid into a container. Here, we are using a 5-liter bottle that is already half filled with non-chlorinated water. We avoid chlorinated water because chlorine can harm or slow down beneficial microbes. Now we add molasses. This thick, sweet ingredient is full of natural sugars, calcium, iron, magnesium, and trace minerals. Its main purpose is to feed the beneficial microbes. Microorganisms thrive on sugars, and molasses helps them multiply quickly. The more microbes present in the mixture, the stronger and more nutrient-rich the fertilizer becomes. Molasses also improves soil structure, helping the soil hold nutrients for longer and supporting strong root development. After adding molasses, we mix in compost, or fully decomposed manure. Both are rich in beneficial microbes such as bacteria and fungi that support soil fertility. Compost brings nitrogen, phosphorus, and a variety of micronutrients like zinc, copper, and boron, which promote healthy leaves, flowers, and fruits. Fully decomposed manure adds organic matter that plants can easily absorb. The microbes present in compost or manure immediately start feeding on the banana liquid and molasses, beginning a fermentation and reproduction process. Once everything is added, we close the bottle and make a tiny hole in the cap. This small opening allows gas to escape as microbes multiply. Without this escape point, pressure can build up inside the bottle, which can be dangerous. The hole ensures airflow while keeping the mixture safe. After securing the lid, we shake the bottle well so everything mixes evenly. Then we let the mixture rest for 24 hours. During this time, microbes multiply rapidly, turning the liquid into a highly active fermented fertilizer. Nutrients become more available, and the mixture becomes rich in beneficial microorganisms. This living fertilizer strengthens plant roots, improves nutrient absorption, enhances plant immunity, and boosts overall soil health. After 24 hours, the fertilizer is ready to use, but must be diluted since it is very concentrated. Too much strength can harm plants, so a safe dilution ratio is 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water. Once diluted, pour it around vegetables, leafy greens, fruiting plants, or indoor plants. You will notice plants becoming greener, stronger, and more productive, with healthier leaves, more flowers, and improved fruiting. Each ingredient in this mixture contributes to making it powerful. Banana peels supply essential minerals, molasses feeds and multiplies microbes, and compost or manure brings nutrients and living microorganisms. Using non-chlorinated water keeps these microbes alive and active. By using this homemade fertilizer regularly, you naturally improve your garden without relying on chemicals. It enhances soil structure, increases water retention, supports earthworm activity, and strengthens the entire garden ecosystem. With simple household materials and natural ingredients, This liquid fertilizer helps your plants grow in the most sustainable and cost-effective way. Enjoy healthier plants, bigger harvests, and a greener garden with this easy and powerful method.